Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We need to divide both sides by dx. Next, we need to divide both sides by x. Next, we have y over x. They are same degree. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vx. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1 dv over dx multiplied by x. This one we have number 1 dx over dx multiplied by v. And this is about the product rule of the derivative. So this one we have number 1. This one we simplify. So we need to change y into vx. This one that is about this one. This one that is about v. This one that is about v. And now we need to simplify. So I will put this one go to the right and we divide both sides by this one. Next, I will put v go to the right. So we have negative v. Now we can do common denominator. So we simplify v cosine v. Cosine v go to the left, dx and s go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of this one that is about sine v. This one we have Ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.